Hello guys and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be doing the New Year's with the cats and enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and sit back and relax. Okay guys, we're lighting up the sparkers. Okay guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! 2026. It's 26, everyone. We did it. Yeah. Coming. Buying the sparklers. Yay!
We staan nog voor weg, Didi. Didi.
Hey son, where did you go? I can't find you. Where are you hiding? You're not over there. What if I hide? Yeah? I think I know where he's hiding. Sluntse. What are you doing there? Sluntse. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, Sluntse.
Maar wie is ook eerst? Dat kun je erbij.
Well, I made a bit of a mess in the celebration, so I'm going to clean up. He really doesn't like the fireworks. Sluntse, you crazy kitty. Son, you don't need to be afraid anymore, Sluntse. I can see your hair. Son, get down from there. Sluntse, it's fine. Sluntse, you're such a crazy kitty. Ugh. Crazy. But your brother, I apologize that tonight isn't here, but well, I guess that's it for the New Year's video. Bye guys. Love you and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a great 2026. Comment your favorite moments of 2025 and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.